Alright guys, so this is the Panamera that we had with the really old battery in it. So we got a new battery. The car still was having trouble starting. Car turns on, or seems to turn on, but won't communicate, won't start, won't crank, won't do anything, and acts as if the powertrain side CAN bus is not working. So after I finally got the car to switch on and start, I'm able to communicate with it and find that I have faults for the 15 power relay for the front end electronics. Did a little research into this part, and there's actually a tech bulletin regarding this module with this relay in it that will cause various concerns and problems with the car. So if you do have something like this, you may want to check that relay and make sure it's doing its job.